I love using this calculator to see how much mortgage I qualify for. BestRate1.com is Fidelity First Mortgage's website. It has a ton of information. Navigate to the Calculator tab and press it. There are 10 different calculators. Mortgage calculator, one for refinancing. We are going to go here to the How Much Home Can I Afford calculator. Here is the actual calculator. You can choose a different loan program so you can see if one is more suitable for you. You enter your monthly income here. If you have debts, enter them here. Here is where you enter the amount of the down payment. You can do it as a percentage or a fixed dollar amount. Over here it tells you the amount you qualify for, the total payment, and the breakdown. You can adjust the property taxes, homeowner's insurance, PMI, and the HOA fee to get more precise. You can also change the terms from 30 years to 15 years or whatever you like. Visit BestRate1.com to use the calculators, get today's rate, learn about the mortgage process, and much more.